Hey guys, what's up? I just got these oven mitts in the mail from Amazon and thought I would open them up and take a look at them with you. Oh, nice. Okay, let's put that there. I think I'm gonna need to just cut the end of this, being careful not to cut the mitts themselves. I love anytime something's like compressed when it first opens up. Such a satisfying sound. Okay, we have, oh, that's kind of cool. These little sort of like flower shaped things on here have like a silicone sort of texture, which is really great for grip. So I could see how helpful that would be. I don't think looking at them online I realized what that was. Can you kind of see that? So that is really nice for grabbing something to help it keep from slipping. Let me tell you, I was just moving a pot of lasagna soup last night and almost dropped the whole thing on the floor. So something like this would be really handy. So it seems pretty large. It goes like midway up my forearm. And I think someone with much larger hands, I think I have just pretty normal size hands. My height is like 5'6", just kind of for reference, but someone with much larger hands could use this as well. So plenty of room there. And we got two of those. Oh, there's also like this little hook here if you want to hang them. If you want to see what that looks like on the inside, it's like this white kind of quilted feeling. If you want to look at the stitching there, everything looks, it's pretty well stitched. I don't see any loose ends or anything. Then we have these. Oh, this also has the like silicone. I'm not sure that it's silicone, but it feels kind of like that. The sort of rubbery feeling that's going to help grip, which that's nice for whether like you're picking something up or even if you're setting something on top so it doesn't like slide around. And I'm assuming this one has that on the other side too, and it does. Okay, that's pretty sweet. And then we have these two cloths, and it's got this like almost like a mesh weave that's a little bit rough, and so I'm sure that's great for like washing dishes, because it gives you like a lot of like rough texture if you really need to scrub something well. But then you have this other like really soft side too. So yeah, that's what the kit looks like, and I'm pretty excited about it. I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.